Hello, on this chapter 17, configuring a network-based firewall, we will be conducting a network security practices using the pfSense virtual machine. We will install and configure a network components to support an organization security, and given the scenario, implement a secure network architecture. Okay, as always, we're gonna open a terminal. And we're gonna enter the following command. We're gonna ping 203.0.113.2, and after this we're gonna go to Kali Linux. Kali, and open another command prompt, and we're gonna ping Ubuntu server 172.16.1.10. Oh, I forgot the 4. Yes, okay. Alright, so everything was successful. We're gonna go back to Ubuntu. We're gonna launch Firefox. And we're gonna go to the address 172.16.1.1. We'll ask us for an administrator and a password. This admin. We're gonna sign in. So this is pfSense. Once in here, on this, we're gonna go to Firewall and Rules. Firewall, Rules, and under one LAN, we are going to add a rule. So we're gonna add one. We're gonna select as an action, we're gonna block the protocol will be ICMP, and ICMP subtypes, we're gonna put any. In the destination section, we're gonna set the option as DMC net, which is the 172.16.1.1/28. Everything else we'll leave it as default and we'll save the changes. So we can see our new rule, which is blocking. So on the changes, we're gonna apply changes. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to Cali. And we're gonna try to ping Ubuntu again. As we can see, it's taking a little longer. And we didn't get any packets, which means our settings for blocking were successful. Okay, so we're gonna enter the following command to scan for open ports on the firewall. So we're gonna use nmap 203.0.113.1. While it's going, let's go to Ubuntu. And we're going to firewall and NAT, network administration. Okay, so we're gonna add another rule. We're gonna do SSH as that port destination. Let's try and see destination. I'm gonna do SSH. Wait. Okay, let's go back. Alright, let's go firewall, NAT, add new rule. On destination, we're gonna choose SSH destination port. SSH and SSH as default. We're gonna redirect the target IP, single host, and the address will be 176.16.1.10 and redirect target port to SSH. We're gonna save it, leave everything as default, everything on. We're gonna apply changes, and we're gonna go back to Kali and try to connect using the SSH command. Okay, so we can see that there's one port open, or two ports. Okay, let's try to subdomain HTTP. Let's see if the SSH works. Okay, that's weird. Okay, let's try this. SSH says admin at 203.0.113.1. Not sure what's going on. One seven, oh, 172. I made a mistake here. That's why it didn't open. Okay, so let's fix that. SSH 172.1610. Okay, so everything else is good. Let's save it. Let's apply changes. Let's go back to Kali. Let's double check this is working. Well, this is gonna take a while. Let's just open a different terminal. Gonna try and see the ports that are open on Ubuntu, and we have to get SSH port 22, if I'm correct. There you go. SSH is open. Okay, we're gonna try to connect. SSH says admin at 203.0.113.1. We're gonna press yes for the fingerprint. Password. And there we are. So notice that the shell prompt says we are on sysadmin admin Ubuntu, which is right here. Where is it? What is it? Where are you? Where are you? Sorry. Okay, let's see. I'm not sure why it's not working properly. It's much issues. Okay, let's connect to SSH. Okay, so we're gonna run the ifconfig command to confirm that we are on the correct system. And right here it's letting us know that we are on the Ubuntu server. We are gonna run route. So we can see where we are. Okay, so our gateway is 172.168.1.1, which is Ubuntu. I'll press exit, and we're gonna leave the SSH connected. Alright, so we're gonna configure a VPN on pfSense. We're gonna go back to Ubuntu. I'm gonna go to system. Right here. System and certificate manager. We're gonna add descriptive name MACA certificate and method create an internal certificate authority. Our key length is gonna be 2048. Type key length 2048 RSA. Lifetime in days is gonna be 365 whole year. And internal CA country we're gonna do US. Gonna do Texas. Austin. Organization XYZ Security. No department. We're just gonna leave it like that. We're gonna click save. And we're gonna go to certificates. I'm gonna add a certificate. Method is gonna be create a certificate. Authority my CA. Key type we're gonna change it to 2048. If it's not there already. Lifetime is gonna be 365 days. Common name pf sans .netlab .local. Everything else stays as is. We're gonna do a certificate type. It's gonna be a use server certificate. And we're gonna save it. Okay, so there were some server errors. Server certificate. Oh, descriptive name, sorry. VPN server cert. Save. Alright, so now it's created. I'm gonna go back to settings, user manager, system, user manager. We're gonna add, I'm gonna call it VPN user. I'm gonna create a password. Full name, we're gonna call it VPN user. We're gonna click on certificate right here. We're gonna call it VPN user underscore cert. Whatever this is, my credentials, RSA 2048, 365 days, and we'll save it. Now we're gonna go to VPN and open VPN. I'm gonna go to the wizards tab, local user access. I'm gonna go to the next page. We're gonna select my CA. I'll go to next, VPN serve certificate. I'm gonna make sure it says 1 UDP on IPv4 only, local port 1194. Oh shit, sorry. Description will be my VPN server. We're gonna make sure TLS authentication is checked. Generate TLS is checked. And we are gonna enable encryption negotiation, data encryption algorithms, and fallback data encryption algorithm AES-128 128-bit key and 128-bit block. So AES-128 CBC. Look for that one. That's right here. AES 128 CBC 128 bit block. I'm gonna choose that one. Out of the digest algorithm, we're gonna leave it as is. And hardware crypto, I'm gonna choose no hardware crypto. No hardware crypto acceleration. And for the tunneling settings, we're gonna type 10.1.1.0-24. I'm gonna check redirect gateway, and we're gonna redirect it to 172.1.0-28. Concurrent connections, we're gonna do 10.